Welcome to the first in a series of videos about the biology of some of nature's most fascinating and misunderstood creatures, the sharks. Today we will be learning about the tiger shark, Galiocerdo cuvier. The tiger shark is a large carchareniform shark, which is the largest extant order, containing other well-known species such as the bull shark and the blacktip shark. A tiger shark shares many characteristics associated with the ground sharks, including an anal fin, 5 pairs of gill slits, and a nictitating membrane, which serves to protect the eye from external damage and injury. However, there are several features that set the tiger shark apart from other ground sharks. Although its blunt, rounded snout is not unique in the world of sharks, the tiger shark also has large spiracles to supply oxygen to the eyes and chondrocranium or brain. This is unusual, as spiracles are not found in other carchareniform sharks, and are usually associated with bottom-dwelling species. The tiger shark has asymmetrical tail lobes, suggesting that it is not the most rapid of swimmers like the mako sharks. However, the presence of lateral keels reveals that it is indeed capable of quick bursts of speed, even if these are not sustained over long periods of time. The characteristic striped markings that give the tiger shark its name are very prominent in juveniles, but fade with maturity. I said before that this is a large species, with males measuring 200 to 300 centimeters, and females measuring 250 to 350 centimeters. However, much larger individuals have been recorded, up to and above 5 meters in length. Tiger sharks have a worldwide range, however they are restricted to tropical seas where their favoured prey and warmer temperatures are found. These sharks tend to be found on or near the continental shelf, anywhere from the surface to the epipelagic zone. They are known to make long-distance and often unpredictable migrations, where the sharks can travel thousands of kilometers in a given year. And there are also more regular seasonal migrations by some populations, thought to be related to mating, pupping, or seasonal food sources. There is much uncertainty around the migration pattern of this species and other species of sharks. However, advances in satellite and acoustic tracking are enabling scientists to learn more and more about the subject. Tiger sharks are known to have an incredibly varied diet, from fish and cephalopods to dolphins and birds. They have been known to scavenge large prey, such as injured or dying whales, which they have even been known to scavenge alongside great white sharks. These sharks have a unique coxcomb serrated tooth shape and strong bite force, which allows them to tackle larger prey. The shark's senses also play an important role in hunting, with excellent conventional senses in sight and smell, as well as the lateral line and electroreceptors possessed by other sharks, which will be discussed in detail in future videos. Tiger sharks have been known to eat a great variety of unconventional foods, from cats and horses to license plates and other inanimate objects. One thing that sets tiger sharks apart from the other ground sharks is that they use an aplacental viviparous mode of reproduction, meaning they give birth to live young that are nourished via a yolk sac rather than a placental connection to the mother. Female tiger sharks produce large litters that can range from 10 to more than 80 pups and gestate for over a year. This factor, combined with the relatively high maturation age of tiger sharks at 7 to 10 years, means that they are very vulnerable to overfishing and population declines. Adult tiger sharks have an average lifespan of 20 to 37 years. The tiger shark was once common in much of its range, but due to targeted fishing for its fins, oils and skin, as well as accidental bycatch, numbers have declined in some regions, and the IUCN Red List places the tiger shark in the near-threatened category. A further problem this species has faced is targeting and eradication programs, such as shark nets seen in South Africa and Australia. Despite public perception of sharks, tiger sharks play an important role in dive tourism, and a live tiger shark is very much more valuable than a dead one, both ecologically and economically. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you found it useful or interesting, please check out the websites of some of these organisations in the descriptions below. They all do great work to protect and study marine life, and by supporting them, you can help support the plight of sharks and the wider marine ecosystem.